Hey guys, Fred Lam here. Now your next step is to create your Shopify account. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what is Shopify and what are the pros and cons when it comes to Shopify. Yes, they are an amazing company. I actually have the privilege of visiting their headquarters. They have a lot of people and a lot of talent inside the company, but at the same time, any company would have some flaws, and I'm going to talk about it in this video. Third is, what package should I choose? A lot of people wondering, like, what should I need, or what should I get when I start, or what package I should use when I'm at certain stage, and I'm going to share with you inside this video. Last but not least, for those of you who wanted to know how to create a Shopify account, I will share it in this video, and on top of that, I struck a deal with Shopify specifically for you. So you're going to get a discounted rate on what others are paying when you're creating your Shopify account. So what is Shopify? Well, Shopify is really now a publicly trading company listed in the TSX, which is under TSE Shop. And by the time that I am recording this video, I think they're trading at $40 right now. So that's pretty epic. Like, that's really, really great stuff. And Shopify right now is really currently the #1 e-commerce platform on the internet right now. And it's trusted by over 300,000 stores. Now, the reason why I say Shopify is the #1 e-commerce platform is that because if you can open up a Word document and put in images and type and bold and underline, then you're pretty much all set on creating your first e-commerce store. Now, obviously, I want to list about the pros about Shopify. First of all, the pros is that it's easy to use with no hosting fees. So if you're using an other provider, you would actually have to host your domain on a domain hosting server or a website server, and it will cost you anywhere from $10 all the way to $200, depending on the traffic that you're going to get. Another thing that is great about Shopify is that they have 24/7 customer support for help. So anytime that you are experiencing any challenges, have some questions, need some help troubleshooting, all you have to do is click on the live chat button and they are going to be with you with a real person that knows exactly what they're talking about to help you throughout the process. Number 3, they have the industry-leading mobile cart conversions. Yes, you heard that right. Industry leading. So originally I wasn't using Shopify. I was using One Shopping Cart, and I have done a lot of money with One Shopping Cart alone. But because of the social media trend and because of the wide usage of mobile phones right now, I was forced to use Shopify. Now, I was skeptical in the beginning when I was using Shopify, especially their mobile checkout. But I can tell you, it made a big difference. So originally, I was not making any sales or very little sales with mobile on One Shopping Cart. But the minute I changed to Shopify and I kept everything the same, nothing got changed. The landing page, the product, the ad, everything is the same. And the minute I start using Shopify's checkout form, I instantly have a crazy ROI. So that's why I'm safe to say they have the industry-leading mobile cart conversion checkout page. Number 4, high security protection and monitoring. So obviously you do not want scheduled maintenance, right? They may have scheduled maintenance here and there, but it's only 10 minutes. Other places that provides e-commerce platform, their scheduled maintenance is like 4 or 5 hours. And 4 or 5 hours while you're spending money on ads or when you're already building your traffic, that hurts your business. But Shopify only takes 10 minutes. And on top of that, they have very high security protection. So all your data, all your customers' data are protected very, very, very well. Last but not least, again, they have a quick resolution to unexpected issues. The longest time that I've seen Shopify down was when the T3 server, I think it was like a worldwide hack that has happened, and it's not Shopify's fault, and it only took them like several hours, and they got back up and running. If there's any unexpected issues, they can get it solved within like 5 to 10 minutes max. So obviously that's why I love to build my business on Shopify, because I know that the technical standpoint, the security standpoint, and all those stuff are well taken care of. Now, obviously, there are some cons with Shopify. First of all, is that you must use Shopify payments. If you don't use Shopify payments and you want to process with another processor like Network Merchant, if you want to use Authorize.net, and all those other big guys out there, the problem is that Shopify will charge you an additional transaction fee. And obviously that is bad, right? You don't want to actually have an extra 1% or 2% transaction fee. But with Shopify payments, there's no transaction fee additional to what they actually get. And Shopify payments actually have a very, very great rate. They are actually a white label of Stripe, and Stripe is really well known for processing for small businesses, and they get really, really great rates. The second thing is that you have no control over the checkout process. Yes, their checkout process is absolutely flawless and it's one of the best, but if you want to customize it, you cannot customize it. Number 3, you have no control over the confirmation page. Now, obviously, right on the thank you page, you can actually make more money on the thank you page. They cannot let you control what it says on the confirmation page. However, our software at ZeroUp solved this problem, and I will show you more in the profit multiplier section, right? It's completely solving this. Next is it cannot host landing page or opt-in pages. If you're building a sales funnel for your internet marketing business, which is e-commerce right now, you obviously want to actually create landing pages and opt-in pages. So that cannot be done. Well, it can be, but it's very, 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 very hard to actually get it done. However, in ZeroUp, we got that solved. A click of a button, you have your landing page up and running inside Shopify. Last but not least, no email accounts, because Shopify is not really a website hosting platform. It's just an e-commerce platform, so you don't have any email accounts that you can actually create. However, I will be showing you later in this module on how to actually create email accounts so you can actually communicate with your customer in the domain that you've just purchased. Now let's talk about which package to choose. First of all, just start with the basic package. It's the best package to start. It's only $29 a month, and you will get a cheaper rate, 2.9%, and obviously the higher monthly subscription you pay, the less your fee is going to be. But when you're starting, just start with the basic package. And what you wanted to do to decide if you want to go after the $79 or the $299, what you wanted to do is calculate your credit card rates based on the number of orders you're getting per month and see if it makes sense. A lot of my stores are at $299. I will get advanced reporting, and I will have cheaper fees and lower fees. Now, I know that there's also another package inside Shopify, which they always ask me to upgrade, and I kept saying no because I still haven't seen the benefits of it, which is Shopify Plus. I haven't seen any benefits of it yet, and Shopify knows that. I'm being upfront with them that I don't see any value between Advanced versus Plus, and I know that they're making a lot of modification to that, so it may actually change in the near future. And all in all, on top of that, regardless if you're using the basic package, the regular Shopify package, or the advanced package, all right? If you go to www.zerouplab.com/Shopify, you will get a 21 days. Instead of 14, you're getting 21 days free trial, and you'll get 10% off for a full year, all right? 10% off for a full year, and this is not available to the public. This is genuinely a deal that I've negotiated at the headquarters of Shopify just for you guys. So when you want to create an account, please go to www.zerouplab.com/Shopify, and most importantly, please use innocation, okay? Use a private server to create it so you will get honored that 10%, all right? So I'm actually going to go do a quick demo, on showing you how to create your Shopify store. So we got Google Chrome open, click on File, New incognito window. Go to www.zerouplab.com/Shopify. And then just put in your email address here. Get started. Put in your password. And then MamaWare. Create your store. So now it is being created. Just waiting for it to load. So it's very simple, very easy stuff. And I'm going to, are you already selling? I am selling. Well, you can put in, I'm not selling any products yet. Choose your revenue, just getting started. I don't need a designer. Name. Just putting my office address in there. And then, where.com. Enter store. And voila, that's it. That's all you gotta do. Now, obviously, you should select the plan. And when you select the plan, what it does is that you can automatically charge credit cards and basically have your store open. If you do not get your store plan in place and choose a plan and you're still in the trial, you cannot unlock your store and start selling, okay? So in this case, I will suggest you choose the $29 per month plan. I'm just going to put in my credit card information right here, and once this is all done, I will just confirm the charge, and then once that is done, I'll be right back, okay? All right, we're back, and obviously I cannot share with you my credit card details, so that's why I actually have to put the video on pause. Now, that's it. You got your Shopify account right now, and for those of you that actually have not synchronized your Zero Up account with Shopify, you got to do it right away, okay? And I'm going to actually show you exactly how I'm going to do it because we need it for our site. So I'm just going to log in and do this demo one more time. I'm going to connect to a Shopify account. And it is, once you're here, just copy this URL, all this, right into here, install, and then install, and you're done. That's all you got to do. So go ahead, start creating your first Shopify store account if you have not created it yet. And if you have created it, make sure that you synchronize your store with Zero Up so we can actually do all the fun stuff in there. All right, so in our next video we're going to actually walk you through on how to use our site wizard, and we'll show you exactly what you need to basically input in the site wizard to get your first store up. All right, I'll see you in the next video.